Great tips and techniques for great affiliate marketers. Most of us take ample time to envision success before we actually begin working on any business model, and this is especially true with affiliate marketing. In fact, with the time it takes to set up your business, you will have ample time to daydream. Instead of keeping your head in the clouds, though, spend your time watching tips like these to help your marketing efforts. When creating links as part of an affiliate marketing program, pay attention to your underperforming links and videos. If after about 200 clicks you have not seen a single sale, remove that link. That link is just sitting there costing you money and will not provide a return on your investment. Use affiliate ads as a service to your readers and make sure that it complements your content. Provide it as a way to send them in a right direction based on something you have said or recommended. This will make it seem less out of place, and more like a service you are providing. Separate your task list so that you do not become confused or bogged down while working as an affiliate. Personal matters can sometimes get in the way of affiliate marketing, especially if you allow them to bleed over into your work. Make sure you're doing your best to keep these two worlds from colliding. If you are working as an affiliate for a product or service that needs repeat business, keep this in mind during your promotions. Work up your marketing approach like you're fishing. The main goal is to throw out the bait and allow the fish to hook itself. After that, it's all about reeling in your catch. If your head's not in the game completely, you're never going to succeed as an affiliate marketer. It really is that simple. Any product you're attempting to sell is also being sold by many other affiliates out there. Use the information that has been provided to gain a competitive edge, and take your campaign to the next level. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.